Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. Guys, today's video is gonna be this lovely gorgeous clutch purse. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button. Thank you and God bless you. So guys, this is the second phase of this tutorial. Please, if you haven't watched the first part, please kindly go and watch the part 1 of this tutorial and also watch the part 2 of this tutorial to the end. Watch from the beginning to the end for better understanding. So guys, this is, I've already wrapped the outer and the inner of this bag. You can watch the part 1 for the pattern and the measurements. So guys, like you can see here is the measurement for the inner part and the outer part. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to take the measurement for my gusset. Guys, I'll be making use of marker for this tutorial for this bag, and the measurement is 17.4, and that is for the length, and the width is 3.5 inches for the width. Now I'm through cutting it out, so I'm just gonna glue it right here to my fabric and just gum everything together. The next thing guys is to stitch my gusset round. So guys, this is the inner part of the purse. So I'm just gonna, notch the middle, just mark the middle, and place my magnets at the middle. So I'm done marking it, so I'm just gonna take my puncher and then punch the place I'll be fixing my magnets. For the pocket aspect, the width is 5.5 and the length is 2.5 inches. So I'm just going to take my leather board, which is chipboard, and I'm just going to glue it, just glue the fabric to the leather board. Guys, I'm through wrapping the pockets, and now what I'm doing is stitching all round. I'm just gonna stitch the pocket round. Guys, I'm through with the pocket, so I'm just going to take the measurement for my chain holder, which is 1.5. So then I'm just going to take my piercer to pierce a hole to it and then fix my rivets. So guys, the next thing is to take my corsets and wrap it around the inner part. So I'm done with the front part of the inner part, so I'm just going to take the back part of the inner parts, the back part, not the flap, the back part of the inner part, then just wrap it around. So guys, I'm done with the inner part of the bag. Right now I'm just going to glue the bag together, which is I'm going to glue my inner part and the outer part together. So I'll be making use of energy gum, and also I'll be making use of B6000 glue to glue it together. So guys, this is the end of today's tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. But before then, after gluing the outer and the inner part together, then I'm just gonna put my magnet to the front part of the bag, and after that then I'm just gonna glue it together, and that is all. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and God bless you.